Evernote is a popular note-taking app that helps you stay organised so nothing slips through the cracks. By integrating the two apps, you can easily add the notes you take with Evernote to the associated contact in OnePage CRM. Let's say you're in a meeting and decide to note down the client's very specific project requirements right there and then to ensure you don't forget them. Evernote is the perfect tool for that. And then, once you're back in the office, you can easily add the note you took to the client's contact page in just a couple of clicks. You can locate your note in your notebooks, filter the list by tags, or simply use the search to pull it up. With a single click, you can add this note to the contact. And now, you have all the information you need to decide on the next step that will bring you closer to the sale. All your notes are safely logged in the contact's activity, so you can review them at any time or jump right back to your Evernote account with a quick link to have a closer look. And when it comes to connecting Evernote to your OnePage CRM account, it's as easy as a couple of clicks. Take notes on the go, add them straight to your OnePage CRM contacts, and take informed next steps for more efficient sales.